If fire breaks out in a car accident, someone trapped has little chance of getting out alive. Vehicle fires can start with leaking fuel or electrical short circuits caused by collision damage. That happened on the M6 near Broughton in Lancashire in 1985. 12 people died. But fires can start for no obvious reason, and deaths from car fires have doubled in the last 10 years.
I was driving along the M56 going to see my mother, and it was a really hot, sunny July afternoon, and driving along, and I thought my feet were getting really hot, but I just put it down to the tarmac getting really warm because it was a really hot day, and I could smell this kind of rubbery smell, and I just thought, well, that's the tyres as well. And the next thing, I just glanced down at my feet, and I just saw flames coming out through the pedals, up my legs, and I just couldn't believe it, and it was just like fear, instant fear. I just thought, any minute now, this whole car is just going to blow up with me in it.
Linda never found out the cause, though faulty electrics were considered most likely. Ben, this is obviously an older car, but I think for the purposes of illustration, it shows us quite clearly a couple of obvious problems, starting with the engine.
Yes, this is typical of older, badly maintained vehicles, covered in oil and rubbish, and is the common cause of fires in such vehicles. There's a large hole in behind the air filter there, which, whilst it doesn't exist on the newer vehicles, is typical of the areas which allow fire to penetrate from the engine compartment into the cabin area.
However much crash protection a car has, broken fuel pipes present a hazard that worries firemen. But fire can spread in an undamaged car. A car owner's nightmare.